In this lesson, I will discuss what is design intent. Let's say this is a simple plate and there is one hole inside it, and I want to put this hole at the middle. This looks like this is at the middle. If I see this is 200 and this is 120 and this whole position is 160, that means this is exactly at the center. Let's say if I try to change the height and width of this plate from 200 to 300 and from 120 to 150, now we can see this is not exactly at the center. That means this is not how I wanted to design. If I want to keep this hole at the center, in that case I will go inside this case and I will delete this 2 dimension and I put few geometric relation. Then I will close this. Now if I change from 300 to 180 and 150 to 80, you will see this is always at the center. This is something called design intent. The way I design it, the way it will behave. That is the main power of this parametric CAD system. You can control your design by using parameter, geometric relation and dimension. By using all of this feature, you can get ultimate control on your part.